Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. First, remove the screen protector or case, as an improperly applied protector can cause ghost touches or reduce responsiveness. A case that covers the bezels can also cause constant taps or make the phone unresponsive. Next, grab a microfiber cloth and clean the screen to remove debris and moisture. Restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up button, then swipe up to restart. After the restart, as a last resort, go to Settings and scroll down to System Update. Tap on Software Update and make sure you're on the latest version. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was then, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.